Good morning, children. I am Shagufta, your maths teacher. As I told you in the last class, I am back today with exercise 1.2. In today's class, let us solve first 6 questions from exercise 1.2. So let us begin with the question number 1. Here is the question number 1. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total tickets sold on all the 4 days. So write down the solution. Number of tickets sold on first day. See, in the question itself they have given all the details that first, second, third and final day. This number of tickets were sold respectively. It means first day it was 1094, second day it was 1812, third day 2050 and the fourth day the number of tickets were sold were 2751. Write down these given details in the solution first. So first day 1094, second day 1812, third day 2050 and the fourth day 2751. This is the given data. Okay, here they have asked us to find the total tickets. Total means all together. So we have to find out here the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Total means we have to do addition. Okay. Let's find out. See, total number of tickets sold is equal to 1094 plus 1812, then 2050 and then 2751. Now do the addition. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 0 is again 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7 and then 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. 0 to carry to the hundreds place. Then 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 0 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17. 7, again 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. And hence the total number of tickets sold are 7707. You can write a sentence like this. Hence total tickets sold on all the 4 days are 7707. Fine. Here it is just a simple addition. That's it. So here is your second question. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Means he wishes to complete 10,000 runs. Okay. but he has scored 6,980 runs till now in the test matches. Now you have to find out how many more runs he needs to reach his target. What is his target? To make 10,000 runs. Okay, write down the solution. See, for the statement problems, you should always write the complete sentences. Write down the first sentence. Runs scored by Shekhar is equal to 6,980. Write down the next sentence. Runs he wishes to complete means his target 10,000. Now runs needed more. How many runs he needs more? To calculate that, you should subtract 6,980 from 10,000. Let us do the subtraction. So subtract 6,980 from 10,000. Write down 10,000 minus 6,980. Now subtract this. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 8 is not possible. To take a borrow, here also it is 0. Take the borrow from the next place. Here also it is 0. So take the borrow from here. This becomes 0. And this becomes 10. Right? When you give borrow to this becomes 10. And this becomes 9. Again, you are giving borrow to this number, so this becomes 10 and this becomes 9 and this becomes 9. Now you can subtract. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Look at this place. 9 minus 9 is 0 and 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. Shekhar needs 3,020 runs more to reach his target. Okay, write down. Hence, here the question is, how many more runs does he need? Write down. Hence, he needs 3,020 runs. Okay, shall we move to the third question? See this question. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival means the opposite one, okay, and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Means here they are asking the question that from how many votes did the successful candidate won the election, right? So here also we have to do the subtraction. Let's write the answer. Write down the sentences properly. Number of votes secured by successful candidate, okay, number of votes secured by the successful candidate is 5,77,500, and then number of votes secured by his nearest rival 3,48,700. So these are the details already given in the question itself. You have to frame the sentence and write, and this also has marks. Okay, next, now you have to find out the margin by which he won the election, right? So margin by which he won the election is equal to 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700. Let's find out the answer. 5,77,500. While writing the numbers, leave the proper place in between so that it becomes easy to do the subtraction or any mathematical operations. 3,48,700. Now you should do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 7 is not possible. Take the borrow, it becomes 15 and this becomes 6, right? Now 15 minus 7 is 8. Then 6 minus 8 is impossible. Take the borrow, it becomes 16 and this becomes 6. Now 16 minus 8 is 8. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 3 is again 2. So the answer is 2,28,800. Therefore, successful candidate won by 2,28,800 votes. You can write the answer. The successful candidate won by 2,28,800 votes. Fine. Shall we move for the next question? Look at the question number 4. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June. And books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for 2 weeks together? Again here they are asking together. Together means you have to do the total. You have to sum it up. Means you have to do addition. Okay. You should do the addition. This is the first question. And the next, in which week was the sale greater? You have to find out in which week. Is it the first week or the second week? And by how much? How much greater it is? You have to find out. Okay. Let's write the answer. Write down solution. Price of books sold in first week is equal to rupees 2,85,891. Let me remind you, for the statement problems, must and should, you should write the sentences. Okay, the proper sentences. Price of books sold in second week is equal to rupees 4,768. So let us find out in which week was the sale greater, first week or second week. Just by the inspection method we can find out. Look here, one is 2,85,891 and the other is 4,768. Obviously 4,768 is greater, means second week. Okay, the sale was greater in second week. Write down the answer. The sale of the books is highest in second week. Okay, now you have to find out how much it is greater. To find out this, you have to subtract. Remember the first rule while subtracting, you should subtract a smaller number from the bigger number. Okay, so now you have got that 4 lakh is greater than 2 lakh. So write down 4 lakh 768 minus subtract 2,85,891. Now you can do the subtraction. 8 minus 1 is 7. 6 minus 9 is not possible. Take the borrow, it becomes 16 and this becomes 6. 16 minus 9 is 7. 6 minus 8, no, take the borrow. So to take the borrow, here it is 0. Take from the next number. Here also it is 0. Take from the next number. So it becomes 10 and this becomes 3. If this 10 gives to this, then this becomes 10 and this becomes 9. Now this 10 is giving the borrow to this, then it becomes 16 and it becomes 9. Now 16 minus 8 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. Here 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. The answer is 1,14,877. So one more thing you have to find out here is how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together, right? Together means you should add. Addition 4,768 plus 2,85,891. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. 1 carry. 8 plus 8 is again 16. 1 carry. 1 plus 5 is 6. 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. Right? So together it is, the total sale is 6,86,659. Okay, you can write down here. The sale for 2 weeks is equal to rupees 6,86,659. Fine. I hope it is clear to you. So here in the question they have asked 3 sub questions are there. One is you have to add, then you should subtract, and another one is just by inspection method. Inspection method in the sense by just looking at the question or the data given, you can find out which is greater and which is smaller one. Okay, let's move to the 5th question. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. Fine. Let us write the solution. First write down the given data. Given digits are, which are the given digits? 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Now you should form the greatest 5-digit number and the least 5-digit number or smallest 5-digit numbers using these given digits. Come, let's write. Greatest 5-digit, to write the greatest number of digit, begin with the biggest number first. Look at these digits, which is the bigger one? 7, right? So 7, and the next bigger is 6. Then among these 3, 4, 3, and then 2. To write the smallest 5-digit number, it's just simple. Write down the same number in the reverse order. You will get the smaller 5-digit number. See, write down 2, then 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay. Now you have to find the difference. Difference means subtraction. So subtract it now. So as I told you, to subtract, first you should write the greater number. Write down 76,432 subtract 23,467. So 2 minus 7 is not possible. It becomes 12 and this becomes 2. Now 12 minus 7 is 5. Again here 2 minus 6 is not possible. Take a borrow, it becomes 12 and this becomes 3. 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 minus 4 is not possible. Take a borrow, it becomes 13 and this becomes 5. 13 minus 4 is 9. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. The difference is 52,965. So it is just a simple subtraction. Fine. Let us move to the last question of today's session, question number 6. So the question number 6 is, a machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Let us write the given data. Solution. Number of screws manufactured in a day for one day. It is 2,825. A day means for one day. Okay, 2,825. Since they are asking us to find out what is the total number of screws manufactured in the month of January, we should know the number of days in January. Okay, number of days in January is equal to 31 days, right? You can verify it with the calendar also. January has 31 days. Then now we should find out number of screws manufactured in January. For one day it is 2,825. Then to find out for 31 days, just multiply it with 31. Let us multiply 2,825 multiplied with 31. First multiply with the ones place, that is with 1. You know, whichever number you multiply with 1, the same number comes as the answer. Now 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 8s are 8, 1 2s are 2. After multiplying with the ones place, put 1 0 in the ones place. Next multiply with tens place. 3 5s are 15, 5, 1 carry to the tens place. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 3 8s are 24, 4, 2 carry. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Now whatever the answer you got by multiplying, you should add both of them. 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, 8 plus 7 is 15, 1 carry, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, and then 8. Okay, let us place the commas, 1 2 3 comma. Right, the answer is 87,575. Hence the screws produced or manufactured in the month of January, are 87,575. So this is the final answer. So that's all in today's class. I hope this session was useful to you. You can repeat this video and watch 2-3 times for your better understanding. We will meet in the next class with other 6 questions. Till then, stay safe, be happy. Thank you.